before, and I'm going to bring you an unboxing. This is the Winix, bought at Costco, 50 BT dehumidifier. Made in Korea, supporting Kim Jong-un. Just kidding, guys. And let's get ready to do it. And not light. I think that's nothing there. Okay, you got the power cord. You got manual. It says keep the dehumidifier in upright position. Allow a minimum of 30 minutes upright before running. Okay. The reason why there's oils inside that gets mixed around, and they need to be separated before you turn on. Essentially, it's like an air conditioner, so to speak. Here's the design. If you want to come in a little closer, get the top control panel. Got auto, fan speed, high, low, bucket full, on. I'm guessing this is the humidity, and then you can select multiple settings.
There are the power consumption and specs for the Winix 50 BT unit. Looks like it is 4.5 amps, 50 pints per 24 hours is the rate, and best of all, made in Korea. So it's not China actually, which is kind of why I picked this unit. I'm hoping it lasts longer. Because of that reason, we will find out. So the way this operates, this thing will fill up. There's a little shut-off switch that pops as the water rises, which is located right here. And there's this little hose guy in case you wanted to just auto drain versus having to do the bucket. So that's how I will plumb mine. Secondly, there is a filter you gotta pull down right there. Check it periodically. I usually do it every month when I remember. So they hammer down on this, leave it upright for 30 minutes before doing anything. So it's pretty important to do that. Just make note of that. This gravity drain is right here, which I will actually remove right now, one-handed, which is perplexingly more difficult than it should be. And I don't know if I can just screw this in, so I need to read the manual, which I will do right now. Well, wouldn't you know, I had to put it in the other way. So once I figure that out, you push this in, there's going to be some grooves that I need to lock it into place. So let me show you what it looks like over here in front. Like so. Once it goes inside the little port, that's how it drains automatically. One of the most trivial complaints is this. It doesn't come with the hose. So make sure you go buy one. All it is just a regular old garden hose that is used to drain the unit into a drain port, wherever you decide to drain the dehumidifier to. Note, the power cord is 6 feet tall. I'm gonna plug this in, and then we'll get a sound test going. Hang tight. Follow the green line, and that's where I am exiting the water into the sump pump. So very simple. I don't have to ever remove the bucket then. It kind of becomes a chore. So let's plug her in. All right, it's plugged in. Let's go. Click on the power. Ooh, baby. Nice and quiet. Now, let's do auto, sounds good. Let's see, humidity. We want it to be nice and comfortable. So down, down, down. Let's do 40. Very quiet compared to this guy. Do not buy. This thing is dead. Dead to me. Lasted 4 years. Kaput.
I'm hoping this thing lasts a lot longer. It's way quieter, sounds smoother. I paid about $200 at Costco. And I went with Costco due to their legendary, well, to be debated based on what you buy, legendary return service. Hopefully you guys found this informative. Smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. It helps me a lot. It makes me feel good. Later, guys.